Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SK Girly Skills. If you are first time at my channel, please like and subscribe. Today I'm gonna recreate this cat printed shirt from Shein. I really loved the design and the print of this shirt. I wanted to order it. Then I realized I want the pink one. That color is not available. I wanted this shirt in baby pink, not in purple. So I decided, why should I not recreate it? Yes, I can do it and you also can do it. This video is gonna be very interesting. If you wanna save your money and want to recreate it designs which you like, so stay tuned till the end of this video. Here what I'm doing with my laptop is I made it straight to make it easier to trace the designs. So I took a butter paper or sandwich paper, that whatever you have at your home, take it and put it at your laptop screen or any tablet or any iPad you have. Put it on it and just trace it. I'm making the outline of this cat. It's very easy way of tracing any designs that you like. If you are not very good at drawing and sketching, still you can do it in a very good way. Here I'm taking another paper because I realized that its length is not enough for the designs. So I gotta join this other paper with it so I could complete this design with it. Cats and butterflies are two things that attract the girls the most. I find them both in a one print, so it's just like a surprise for me and I really liked it. Please tell me in the comments, do you agree with me and are you also the cat lover? Here I'm using cotton fabric. I like long shirts, so I made it little longer than the actual size of the shirt. front of the shirt is little smaller than the back side of the shirt, so therefore I'm marking it to cut it. Here I'm taking measurements for the collar neckline. The width of the neck is 3.5 inches and the length of the neck would be 4 inches. The front part of the shirt, I'm gonna cut it in 2 pieces. I'm gonna attach this piece of cloth on it so that the buttons would be attached on it, and the other one part would be for buttons and other part would be for the buttonholes that would hold the shirt together. If you are watching first time my video, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Your small support means a lot to me and helps me to grow up my channel. Here I am using carbon paper to trace the design. Here I took a pen that was in writing. I'm just giving a little pressure on the same outline that I draw before. Wow, my pen started working, so now I'm not gonna throw it. It would be very useful for me now. It is beautifully traced. Now time for coloring. Here I got the brushes for coloring and the fabric color. Here I am choosing the black color. Obviously you want to make the same as it is in the photo. I'm using embroidery frame. Actually, it is not very necessary for the fabric painting, but I'm doing it first time, so I don't want to mess my design. It will hold the cloth tightly, so it will become easier for me to paint it in a good way. I'm using here pure black fabric color without a binder, without water. Why do all girls love cats? For me, I would say it's a beautiful creation of God. Its cuteness attracts us. couldn't wait and let it dry and then complete the other half with the frame. I just removed the frame and completed the other half without the frame. It wasn't very difficult though, so it's optional whether you want to use the frame or you want to use it without the frame. It depends on the fabric. If your fabric is good and stable without the frame, then you don't need it. So it depends on the fabric. Here I am completing the stitching part. Actually, I couldn't show you all the stitching steps because my video was getting so long and I didn't want to bore any one of you. So anyone if is interested in the stitching part, just comment below and let me know, so I would post the stitching part separately. Here I am attaching the buttons. The black buttons with pink outline were looking so beautiful on it. So here is the final look of this shirt. Thanks for watching my video. Please write down in the comment sections your ideas about this dress and which design you want the next. And in which skills you are interested the most. The stitching, embroidery or fabric painting. Please let me know. Soon I'll be there with the new design and new ideas.